Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to add an admin to your Facebook group and want to make sure you're using the latest methods, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Facebook group. Make sure you're logged in into the account that has admin privileges because only current admins can add new ones. Once you're in your group, look for the people section and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the current members in your group. Now, if you have a specific member in mind that you'd like to make an admin, you can use the search bar here to find them quickly or just type in their name. After you've found the member you want to make an admin, click on the three dot next to their name and click on invite as admin and then send invite. It's always a good idea to communicate with a new admin about their role and responsibilities in the group. Once they accept the invitation, they will be now the group admin as well. And thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us.